gets 10,000 likes, I'll buy some tracks and put them on the 850 high lifter. If that's even... What's going on, everybody? We're back. Finally, we haven't rode. God dang. We haven't rode our four-wheelers in a hot minute, or in a cold minute, because it's snowing out here, boys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe button already, because we're about to get into this gnar. We're about to shred this ice gnar. If you're a returning subscriber, you might be thinking to yourself, Mike, dude, what the fuck, man?
Where the hell have you guys been? What the hell kind of content have you been making lately? What the hell is this?
Like, I'm about to unsubscribe because you guys are fucking boring and bums and stuff. But stay right here, boys, because there's more. Trust me.
There's more where that came from.
We've been in a little bit of a drought. There's really no excuse for it.
There has been an excuse for it. Okay, on account of it's been cold as hell. We had to work a lot, and we're lazy. You got to take all that into consideration. And we decided to come out today and ride because it's even colder than the other days, and it's like 10 degrees outside. So
yeah, this would probably be our coldest ride ever. I think it was like, what, 18 degrees out. So yeah, we might not last very long. But we're gonna see what we can get into, boys. All right, after about like 20 minutes, here we go. Good job. Thank you. Sick. Start. We did it. Or Scott did it. All right, boys, here we go. First winter ride of the year. Got some good snow to play with. It's a little cold. It's actually like freezing rain a little bit, so that kind of sucks because it sticks to your goggles and freezes. And like, what you'll probably see is Scott's windshield will just be a complete sheet of ice. And that really sucks. Look at that. Give you a little. I got the ice off. Let's try this again. This is literally like the worst possible thing to ride in. It's like 10 degrees out. Why is it raining? I don't know if my camera's frozen or not, but if it is, I'm sorry. How are you doing? Are you in 2 or 4? It's getting good? Going good? Ooh, that is fun to play around in though, boys. He said he's doing good. As you can see, it's pretty deep, probably over a foot in some of these places. face. Snow on my face. It's so cold. It's so cold. Holy shit. I'm crying. Oh, I was gonna get a good shot of you. Oh no! No! Is that ice? What? Not as slushy as the other stuff. Yeah, but it feels thick, you know. But God knows how deep that is, you know. Yeah, let's see if I can get over this. See if we can get back up this hill. It's not the steepest hill, but that snow makes it tricky. Oh, no problem. No problem. There he is down there. Look at that view though. This little bit of rain would stop to be a perfect day for a ride. The difference these tires make. They're both in four-wheel drive and they're getting through it pretty easily, but you can tell it's a little bit of a struggle. I'm in two-wheel drive high. I'm getting through it relatively easily. I don't even see a trail. like nothing.
Keep going?
There's like nothing down there.
Huh?
There's not a trail.
It's just, is it like this?
I mean, I guess you could wiggle your way down there.
Do it?
I mean, but like you said, it's, you guys are gonna have a hard time fucking getting back up there if you don't.
We might have to make our way. You think we can make it?
It gets tight down there.
Your decision.
You know, it's up to you because I can get out of there probably.
If you think we can get down through, as long as we get down through, it's going to open up into something. Maybe pull two of us up over this hill.
Yeah. I love this, just like no trails. It's kind of sketchy, just kind of exploring. It goes this way too. Yeah, see, I bet you this is the trail here. This is cool, man. And I bet you it goes back that way too. Just chugging through the snow, boys. Chugging through the snow. Where does it go? I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, that might be a little low. We could probably break that. See, is that a trail? This shit like looks like it hasn't been hitting forever. Excuse me, tree. Oh, thorns. Ouch. Look at them bastards. Jesus Christ. That's another sketchy thing about the deep snow, man. You never know when you're gonna hit like a big log or something that just boom, jolts you right in the butt. Oh, and then I get snow in the face. Trying to find a trail. This looks like some kind of riverbed or something. And by river I mean little creek. It's hard to tell if it's a trail or not. Like there's footsteps going up there or something.
Well, we gotta get to where I might blow a belt here any second.
Why?
I filled the whole area up with blue smoke. Ready? Yep.
Alright boys, so we just had a little break. Had a little snack, a little lunchy poo. Alright, now we're gonna try to find our way out of here. Scott said Scott said his belt was burning up. And they're having a lot of trouble getting through the snow. As you can see, Pete's stuck already. push.
Hold on.
Hold on. Are you in low? Try it in low. Hold on. Are you good?
Probably not.
You guys like the snow content? Or do you like the regular mudding content more? Or do you love both? Put your comment down below. What you like better? Oh, he thinks he's cool, huh? Oh, is that right? I said, is that right? Oh, yeah? She's gonna give her a rip. God, that thing's quiet, huh? I need to do something about that. I'll let you take mine for a spin.
Let's get on and let's follow.
Well, let's go then. This thing's like a whole different experience. That thing's so quiet.
Yeah.
It's like the quietest thing ever.
Need an exhaust.
Yeah, like you can't even hear it at all. Like it makes no noise. I need one, man. I bet you mine would have a good tone on the 850 too. About to give me an exhaust. Just makes you feel just great. It's a good feeling.
Yeah.
And we are back. All right, boys, that's gonna do it for this one. If you liked that video, hit that like button. What else?
Subscribe before you even hit the like button, honestly. Then after that, just if you like the video, then like the video. You know what I'm saying?
On our way to 500 subs, boys. See you next time. Oh shit, he's styling. Oh shit, them Carhartts?
Yeah,
Oh,
buddy.
Oh, that Santa Claus joint brought them, huh?
We finna stay warm today, boy. Oh shit.